On this episode of G Reviews, I show you how to install the auto up and auto down switches in your Tundra. Stay tuned. Alright, first things first, welcome to G Reviews. Hey everyone, welcome to G Reviews. Hey guys, Scott here with G Reviews and my little buddy here. Hopefully we can install this without him getting all crazy on me, but here we are with the 2018 Tundra, and today I'm going to be installing just a quick little upgrade to the window switches. I'm sure you guys have probably seen this, but my truck is the Sport, the TRD Sport, so it's basically just an SR5 with some fancy bits on it. But pretty much what I'll be doing is replacing the switch panel here. The only one that has auto is the driver's, and it's only auto down, it's not auto up. So I picked up this guy on Amazon. I'll have a link in the description of where to pick it up, but as you can see, all four switches should now be auto down and auto up. So from what I understand, it's really just as simple as just popping this panel out, and just there's maybe one screw. Looks like there's a couple screws here, screwing it probably to the plastic piece. But then it's just really just one wire to plug it back in, and hopefully we'll have auto up and auto down on all the four windows. I mean, I only have really one hand, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put the phone down while I pop the little panel off here. Okay, so all I went ahead and did is stuck the little tool in between there, and I just popped. There's a couple of these little pops, and so there's three screws. There is one there, and there's two down there, right here, 1 and 2. So I'm just going to unscrew those, and there's this one wire that I'm going to plug in, and hopefully that should take care of all the windows. So as I said, all I went ahead and did is remove that screw, and then the screw up there, and then the big cable, it just slides in to the back there. So not only are there the screws, there's also these little tiny clips. So you have to unclip that. So there's 1, 2, and then there's also the same, I guess maybe 2 on this side. So you got to unclip all those clips. So you can see the difference between the two panels here. So again, this is the stock one. It's just the basic switches versus this new one, again, just from Amazon. It has kind of multi positions in both ways, both up and down. So I'm gonna go ahead and clip this in, and then actually before I even clip it in, I'm just gonna plug it in, make sure everything works correctly. All right guys, so I just went ahead and just plugged the old cable back in, so the moment of truth here. So again, let's try the auto downs on both. So there you go, my hand's here. Window's going down. All right, how about the rears? And there you go. Look at that, 20 bucks. Now they're coming back up, and the fronts both coming back up. There you go. So I'm just gonna go ahead and screw it back in, clip it in, and we should be good to go. As you can see, so I just went ahead and clipped as well as screwed the new switch panel in. Really just looks like complete factory. Everything works. And then again, now the guy it's got auto up, auto down, which is awesome. Again, it's only 20 bucks, Amazon. I will leave a link in the description of where to pick it up. Thanks for watching.